Here we come to the elevator at Crate and Barrel at Highland Village in Houston, Texas. Gotta get in the elevator quick because there is music playing out there, and I don't want to be talking too loud in the store. I cannot be talking too loudly to avoid drawing attention. Let's go to 2. Anyways, this is an updated take on this elevator here. Listen to how obnoxious that door squeaking is. It sounded like a pig is on a stroke or something. All right, it should close. Alright, this time I'm going to, not only am I going to take for one more ride, but this time I'm going to open the rear doors this time, now that I got to hear the motor. A lot of storage packages in here. This thing still vibrates since always when I first rode this elevator back in my early days. Alright, let's close the door back up and head back down. This elevator kind of creaks a lot as well, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and watch it close. But that was your updated take on this elevator from when I first recorded this back in 2012 with another user who no longer has a channel. So I decided to come back and refilm it again in 2015. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.